today we will be cooking salmon. Let's get started. So here we have some salmon fillets, and in this dish we have some olive oil, black pepper, and salt. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna sprinkle it. Well, sorry, not sprinkle it. We're gonna brush it all around on here, and when we're done with these sides, we're gonna flip it and we're gonna do the back. You know, salmon's actually one of my favorite foods. Probably because, I gotta say, I think it's the flavor which makes it the best. That's probably the best part about it. They're starting to look shiny. That's really cool how they're shiny. Now we're gonna flip them and do the other side like I said earlier. Seasoning some fish. Seasoning some fish, and fish is my favorite dish. Now that we've finished covering the salmon with our olive oil mixture, we put the rest of it in here, and now the rest of it is going to be ready for salmon. If I can get a hold of it. Okay. And you want to put the skin side down. I had to get my dad to help me because I put the salmon right in the middle and I didn't have room for the other one. And now we're going to let them cook on the skin side down for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes and now we're going to flip the fish. That was hard. Ooh. Look at how pretty that is. It's like a golden brownish. Good thing it's not burnt. And we're going to let this side cook for 2 minutes. And it's finished cooking, and now it's time to try it. The skin is so crispy. It's a perfect combination of like crunchy and sweet. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos like this for more good stuff. Bye bye. Baby.